How's it going, guys? I'm just going to record this right now and whip through the sine law examples. No meeting tomorrow. I have a staff meeting. If I have a chance, I will post a video for cosine law. If not, we'll have to wait till Thursday, and we'll go Thursday and Friday for cosine law, and then you guys can hand in that test or that quiz on Monday. So no rush on that. So let's go and take a look at the note. There we go. Almost. Here we are. Okay, so the note was yesterday. This is the practice day for sine law. I set a couple of these up, and then I'll do a couple with you. So if we're solving, don't forget for sine law, let's draw the triangle here again. What's going on for sine law is, for sine law, you need an angle and the side across from it, and then one other thing. So if you have these two, and you have that, so if you have an angle and a side across from each other, and you have a side, then you can get the angle. If you have an angle and a side across from each other, and you have the angle, then you can get the side. Okay, that's a question mark. Anyway, so once you figure that out, that you can use sine law, it's really easy. Okay, so we'll do some examples here. But remember, what you're looking for is on top here, and then you're just going to have to move one thing. Just move that guy from the bottom to the top across the equal sign, and then solve. Throw it in your calculator. So I threw this whole thing in the calculator to get 37.5. Here you would do the same thing. Move this guy up here. But whenever you're looking for an angle, okay, and an angle is the capital letter, okay, so big B, you're going to have to hit second function sine. So sine -1, something like that. Inverse sine. You guys have done this enough times in your calculator. You know what I'm talking about, okay? Hit the second function and then the sine button, and that will get you what you're looking for, okay? Get you your answer. So let's just do a couple examples here, okay? So here's a question. There's an angle and the side across from it, so we're good. That's right, an angle on the side across from it, so we're good. Here is a side, and here is an angle. I don't need a right angle triangle. That's for SOHCAHTOA only. Sine law does work for right angle triangle, so if you use it on a right angle triangle, that's fine. Here's my pair. My pair is my B's. So what you start off by is to write what you're looking for first, and that is big C. So I write big C, and I write it here, and when you write a capital letter, you have to write sine with it. So it's sine big C over little c equals sine big B over little b, and then go ahead and find these things. There is big C. I don't know. Little c is 15. So that goes there. 72 and 18. Go there. Move that 15 up, and then solve, and you get 52 as your length. Okay, so from start to finish here, write what you want in this question here. Again, it's C. But this time we have the A pair. So you want sine big C. Okay, this is a little slow today. Over, okay, so I'll just do the setup, and then you're on your own from there. Sine big C would be over little c, and then the pair that I have is the A pair, so you would go sine big A over little a. Okay, sub in, move this C up, hit second function sine, and you're good to go. Okay, if you're looking for an angle, side, it's a little bit easier, I guess, but you set it up the same way. I'm looking for little a, so the first thing you write is what you're looking for. So there's little a, you put it up here. Okay, little a is over big A goes with sine, so A over sine A equals, and the pair that you know in this case is the B pair. Little b goes on top because little a was over here. Little big A is on the bottom, so big B is on the bottom. Little b over sine big B. Sub in, 30 is B, 65 is big B, A is 39, and then move the one guy up across like this. And in this case, don't hit second function, okay? Just throw this right in your calculator. 30 times sine 39 over sine 65. And that's it. Remember, sometimes, so remember the only trick question is this one. If I knew this, you know what? Let's pretend we didn't know this. Let's say we were trying to find little I, okay? And then we told you later. I'm just making this up. This was 20 degrees. Okay, 20. And I look at this here and I go, I don't have a pair here. Okay, so I can't use sine. I do have a pair here. And while it would be great if I knew what big I was, so I get little I, well, you do know what big I is. Remember that, okay? Remember, if you know two angles, what you do is 180 subtract the other two angles. So this isn't working that well today, but you're going to go 180 subtract 83 subtract 20 or whatever that is, and then you get your answer for big I and then move from there. Okay, that's not the right answer for this one, but that you know what I'm getting at. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's all I got today. Those are the questions for sign law. Pretty straightforward. The first quiz was really well done. So if you have a chance to do that, great. If not, try the second quiz, which is on sine law and cosine law. And and tomorrow, well, you can try that, but hold off. If you don't know cosine law, we'll do cosine law tomorrow, and that will be no, sorry, Thursday. Try that again. Nothing tomorrow, on Thursday. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's all I got. Take care.